How to hide or unhide people from your Facebook Messenger. To do that, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Facebook Messenger on your phone from the Google Play Store or App Store. So this process works on both your iPhone or Android phone. After that, you can simply log in and open your Messenger. And after that, you will see a screen. On this screen on the top left side, you will see there are 3 vertical lines. When you tap on this, just tap on the gear option and scroll down and tap on the privacy option. And scroll down unless you see the option of hidden contact. Now you can add the person that you want to hide. For example, I tap here. So I can simply hide the person that I want to, and they will no longer be shown in my screen. But I want to unhide them again. Then I can simply tap on unhide, and they will be unhided from my Messenger account, and they will be shown in my screen just like that. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.